In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish Shopify store step by step. Publishing your Shopify store simply means making it visible to the public so customers can find you on the web and start browsing right away. We'll walk through the exact settings you need to update, plus a few helpful notes so you understand what each choice does. Once you're in your Shopify admin, look over to the left-hand menu and click Online Store. This is the area that controls how your storefront appears to visitors, including themes, navigation, and key visibility settings. From there, open Preferences. Preferences is where you set the information search engines see first and where you manage access to your storefront. Start by setting your homepage details. In the homepage title field, enter your brand or store name. Think of this as the headline people might see in their browser tab or in search results. Keep it clear, branded, and concise. Next, add a meta description. This is a short summary that shows up under your title on Google and other search engines. Aim for a brief sentence or two that explains what you sell and why it's valuable. Use natural language and include your most important keywords, but keep it readable and human-friendly. Now, let's make the store public. Scroll down to the password protection section. If you see a box labeled "Restrict access to visitors with the password," uncheck it. Password protection is great while you're designing and testing, but unchecking this box removes the gate and allows anyone to view your store. If you're not ready to go live, keep it checked for now, but when you're ready for customers, make sure it's unchecked. After adjusting these settings, click Save. Saving locks in your homepage title, meta description, and your password setting. Give it a moment to process. You should see a confirmation that your changes have been saved. At this point, your store is live and publicly accessible. That means visiting your store's URL will load your storefront without a password page, and search engines can begin to discover your site based on the title and description you set. It's a simple switch, but it's the key step that makes your business visible online. Quick tip for before you publish: double check that your products are visible and in stock, your payment provider is properly set up to accept real transactions, and your shipping rates and regions match how you want to fulfill orders. A few minutes here can prevent customer confusion later. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Shopify tips and tutorials.